you to think that I'm doubting you, but my heart needs to be convinced that your love is true. Don't get me wrong, I have faith in you, but still my heart would like to question you. What would you do for love? How far would you go for love? Tell me, would you die for love? Baby,